There's a lot of great food in EHT and the surrounding area, but let's take a look at Pho Cali. This is located in EHT or Egg Harbor Township, and it features authentic Vietnamese food and Asian cuisine. It's widely recommended and regarded as the best pho in South Jersey. That is Vietnamese noodle snoop. Some of the key attributes of this would be their pho, which is broth and proteins, variation, their Vietnamese spring rolls, and their traditional rice and other dishes. Upon entering, I was excited to try their Vietnamese coffee, but we'll get to that in a second. Situated in EHT on the Black Horse Pike is their location right next to a paint store and Sacco Subs. It's an excellent location here in EHT for takeout and has become a popular spot for a quick and satisfying EHT lunch. It's definitely known for its casual dining and their to-go destination and high-quality, comforting Vietnamese soups and spring rolls. As we walked through their menu, I was excited just to get out there and try some of their delicious food here. I didn't try their spring rolls just yet, but after reading some of the comments down below, the place sits at a 4.6 out of 5 on Google, which is pretty good. And it has about 325 Google reviews to choose from. It also has a website, and it's known for its slow-cooked soup and signature beverages. I was excited to try their Vietnamese coffee, which is very good. I had to put a little bit of water in it because it was a little too strong, but that's a good thing because you get a little bit more out of it. I will say the price, although Vietnamese coffee is pretty expensive, the price is on par with other locations for Vietnamese coffee, right around $6 at the time of filming this video. Have you played here? Well, not played. It's near a couple golf courses, though. Have you eaten here? Let us know down in the comment section. We're going to get over here and try some of their other soups and other types of different caffeinated drinks in the near future. But until then, let us know down in the comment section which Vietnamese place in this area we should go to next and talk about some of their history. And more importantly, if you have any information on the history of this location, be sure to add it down in the comment section below as we consistently look for the best Vietnamese coffee in this area. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more to come.